allow me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, so sure today how to remove the spring from the shock absorber on this Opel Vauxhall McPherson type of suspension. It's not any different than the normal removal of springs, but still. Good. You need some type of spring compressor. Try to put it at the same distance. Give it a top view. We are doing it. Okay. This one looks fine. Now let's see how big it is. Is it 10 millimeter rounder? No, 11 maybe. Okay. Now, most important one. Do not stay in front of it. Yeah, only onto the side. So if it decides to explode, just let it explode. Yeah, don't hold your hands in front of it. But as much as you can go. Sometimes it's easy to say it, but it's hard to be done, so keep in mind. So come on. I don't have another 11 millimeter, and this one is definitely sticking there, so so give it a try with this one. I really dislike the idea of touching where the spring is. This one is free now. That's a good sign. Good. Now, to undo this one, you just need to undo the nut. Your one might be seized. Make sure this one is spinning freely. Done. Okay. Now the top part. What can you see? Don't point it towards your face. Very important. And this one, yeah, just somewhere out of your everything, yeah? It's like a bomb. And now you can give a test to the shock. This one is feeling okay. Good. That's how to remove the spring. Now I'll show you how to fit it back in. This is where the end of the spring goes, yeah? Right here. Match the front and the back. Be careful, don't sit on its way. It's like a bomb. So, like now, like this. And this thing goes on top here. It just needs a few threads, yeah? Just a few threads is all it needs, but it's hard, yeah? It's a little bit hard. You might need to push it. If it's a gas strut, it's easier. Okay. Can you see? Now when the whole thing is in, okay, so when we can see that we have the spring right there, yeah, in the correct location, and here in the correct location, which we know by taking it like this, yeah, and like that, it moves down, so it needs a little bit of persuasion now. Okay, take this one down. I think it's 8 millimeters or something. 9. I'll check now. Maybe it's 9. And it's 19 millimeter nut. Okay, now let's see how it sits here. On the bottom it needs a little bit more, like this, and on the bottom over there is okay. Let's see if everything is in place. Looks like it is, yeah. Good. Now I'll give it a few more wax with impact. Everything moves okay. Now 19 millimeter. Now 19 millimeter here, 8 millimeter here. Opposite way around, maybe it will be easier. Is it 18 millimeter? Okay, it is 18. Okay, good. Now let's take the compressor gadget off. and now the bomb is released. Good, so that's how to take out the spring, put the spring back together, yeah, and replace the components on top.